Hi everybody, this is Jess Stafford here for Dance Teacher Web. Some of you may know me as the editor-in-chief and article contributor for our Dance Teacher Web blog, and some of you may know me from the Dance Teacher Web faculty. Normally, I would be posting a new blog entry for you all, but under the circumstances of things going on right now, I thought it would be nice to do a little Dance Teacher Web vlog and bring to you today a project, a choreography and dance project that I've been doing with my students online through distance learning that I think you might all enjoy. I know a lot of you are continuing your classes via Zoom and other online platforms, and I'll talk a little bit about this project and the benefits of it and why I think it really resonates with the students right now and your dancers. So the choreography / dance project I'm calling is the space you're in, which is pretty relevant for what's going on right now. And what I'm asking my dancers to do is for every day from the class I saw them, let's say I saw them Saturday. So I'm asking them every day this week to sort of journal for themselves 4 things about the space that they're in. And the first one is their head space or mental space. The second is physical space. The third is their emotional space. And the fourth is their spiritual space. And I'm asking them to write stream of consciousness as they journal. And they can choose whether they write first thing in the morning or the end of day. I did not ask them or require them to write long pages of journal entries. They certainly can if they want to, but I'm asking them even a couple of sentences every day to just check in with themselves in those 4 things and write. And then we're going to meet back again the following week. When we meet back, we're going to design a choreography phrase, and we're going to turn those eventually into solos. And every week, we're going to be able to edit those solos with peer feedback, with editing and feedback from me as well, because I'm going to ask them every week to do this. So they're going to go back and they're going to repeat, and I may add some things some new things in there for them to think about and add to the journal entry as well. But that's how we're starting off. Every day, dancers are going to journal the space they're in, 4 topics: head space, physical space, emotional space, spiritual space, okay? So a couple things. With that, they're gonna come in with their notebooks and things that they've written. And then I'm gonna give them some components on how to start constructing a solo. So I might give them some choreographic devices that I'd like them to incorporate. I may ask them to either start their 1 8-count phrase off with a motif, or it could be some of the poignant words that they're pulling out from their writing. But most importantly, while I'm engaging them artistically and creatively and still sort of nurturing that while we're socially distancing, what it's also doing more importantly is that it's giving me as a teacher a chance to check in with my dancers. I think we need to really pay attention to the gravity that the situation is bringing for our kids and our dancers, and it gives me a little check, and it gives them a little check for themselves to say, hey, these past 3 days, I've noticed my headspace is feeling really down, or I feel isolated in my physical space. So it just kind of makes me feel better as a teacher to sort of check in with them. In terms of the artistic part of it, we're going to develop some beautiful solos, and we're all going to be able to watch them, and we're all going to be able to give peer feedback, and they're going to have the options to create music and go back and edit. They can move in any genre they'd like. I want them to title it and find music for it. And each week we're going to kind of go through until we build these solos that they are proud of and are cathartic for them. And hopefully we can share with all of you. So we're asking if you do decide to go ahead with this project with your dancers to please share with us and tag us. And if you have any questions for me, please in the comments below ask, and I will most certainly get back to you. But I thought this was a great way to keep our dancers fire alive in terms of their creativity and dancing, and something they can do at home and something they can share with their peers and they can share with their faculty. And we can sort of keep an eye on their mental health and their spiritual health and their emotional health as well. So, hope you go for it. I hope you enjoyed today's blog or vlog. And we will see you in the dance studio very, very soon. Be well, everybody. We're thinking of you.